Would you recommend the class to your fellow students?
I would absolutely recommend it. I am shocked that more of them aren't here, and it is so fantastic because I am, out of my class, one of the least emotionally people. I am so technical and intellectual. I would never have imagined myself um, recommending a course that's all feely and a lot more open, because I feel like I would have been very opposed to it. But the fact that it has worked for me, it would work so fantastically for everyone. I think every actor should grab into as many techniques as they can. For me, the workshop has been so invigorating because it's it deals with a lot more of an emotional approach to performance, where its method is such a way that you can't intellectualize things and you can't overthink what you're doing and overanalyze and be in your head, which is something I personally battle with a lot as a performer, constantly thinking and editing myself and thinking how I'm doing something, and I can never then create a true emotional connection to what I am doing because I'm so busy thinking about how to be perfect or how to get everything right or how to impress the people in front of me. I think when you are so focused on your own performance and you're in your head, I don't think you notice or care about what is happening around you because you're so concerned about you have to get it right. What are you doing? What do I sound like? So to notice the other people, yeah, you become a lot more observant, and it forces you to take away that filter because there's no dialogue. The repetition takes away that need for you having to think about what you're saying or to even think about how you're saying it, because there's no right or wrong way. It's not like dialogue that you have to say it in a specific way. You can say it any way you like, and just by doing that, it creates a response for you that creates a response for someone else that then makes you have a response to that, but it's not a acty response, and it's not something you have to think about because it's a very organic process.